Hey guys, Pat McGrath just launched the brand new legendary Glow Colour Balm. Okay, this launched in the UK about a month ago, but we just got it here in Canada this week. So I'm reviewing it for you guys today. I'm excited for this. I actually picked up two different colors, so of course we're going to try it on and test it out. Let's just dive right in. So this is it right here, the packaging. Let's talk about this. Like, this is so pretty. I absolutely love this color pink. I picked up two shades, so I've got them right here. Both shades have a little bit of a pearlescence in them, which I super love. So we've got Lotus Peach, which is a soft coral peach color, and Divine Rose, which is a soft rose color. So I'm just going to swatch them on the back of my hand so you guys can see. So that is Divine Rose, and this one is the Lotus Peach. I am so excited that I picked up this peach color right here because this is so pretty, and I'm just getting super like bridal vibes from that color. Like, it is just amazing. So if you guys can hear a little in the background, she's playing with a squeaky toy, so don't mind that. She's still recovering from her surgery, but she's doing so much better. So I just thought I would share that little PSA with you guys. There are 6 shades in this collection, and they're all super stunning. These are $39 Canadian, and I'm excited for this. So for today, I'm going to actually try it on in 2 different ways so you guys can really see how to apply this product and how beautifully it applies. Like, I mean, stunning. Alright, to start, I've got the Heavenly Luxe Complexion Brush. This is number 7 from It Cosmetics. This is just a really great brush, and I'm actually going to pick up this one right here, which is Divine Rose. I'm just rubbing the brush on the product to warm that up, and I've got a fair bit of product on my brush. I'm just going to go on and stipple this on the cheek and just, you know, give it that beautiful glow moment. Now, I started in the center. When I'm doing this method, I like to start in the center, work my way to the apple of the cheek, depending on what kind of vibe I'm going for. But there's absolutely no scent to this product, which I'm happy about, of course. And this is going on super amazing. It's not streaky. It's absolutely beautiful. Now, I go right up into my hairline with my brush, with my blush and my brush. And I just kind of blend that in, especially for the summer right here. And I'm just going to stipple on a little bit more color right here. But the color is phenomenal, right? Like, that color is amazing. No color? Color. Like, that is color. Like, this is so, so pretty. I'm super loving it. Alright, so that is one method that she recommends that you can do to apply her blush, and this is another one. So if you want more of a color-rich saturation on the cheeks, definitely go in with the balm right here. So I'm just going to twirl this up just a little bit more, and we're going to go straight down. You could go in with dots if you don't want to be too dramatic about it, and you can blend it out with your fingers. This is a method I honestly don't do very often, but with a product like this, you can do it. Okay, let's talk about that color for a second. I'm so blown away. Like, this is so pretty. I'm absolutely loving this. So this is so easy to blend out. You can blend it out with, you know, just your 2 fingers here, your ring finger. It's just stunning. It's not a sticky product, but I mean, that color is everything. I'm going to go in with a little bit more. So I'm going to show you guys another method. She does recommend you can go in with, you know, some dots right here. If you want to, you know, not do the whole streak, you can go in with the dots and then literally just blend out as much as you want to concentrate it more where you want the product. This is a lighter shade. It's a beautiful peach. It's looking amazing. Hi, Little. Do you want blush, Little? Yes? She's so cute. I love the cone. She's got this little cute donut on her head. She looks so adorable. Alright, so back to the blush. I'm just dabbing this out with my finger. I am living for this color right here. This Divine Rose is like my vibe. This color right here, it's nice. Like, don't get me wrong. If you've got red hair, blonde hair, this is super pretty, but I feel like this color is more my vibe. Let me know in the comments down below which side you guys prefer. I'm kind of living for the Divine Rose myself, but I'm curious to know what you guys think, so let me know. I really do appreciate that when you guys write to me. I absolutely love it, but I just feel like this one is really light. If you're going for like a, you know, just like a no makeup vibe, this is your shade. 100% this peach is your shade because this is super, super pretty. Loving that. Don't forget to watch my latest video right here on that concealer. If you guys haven't seen that Tarte Shape Tape concealer, you're going to die. Like, it is just beautiful. I'm wearing it right now. I've got everything linked in the description for you guys. All right, until next time, live, love, and lip gloss. Bye.